Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be solving Java strings introduction problem on HackerRank. So this exercise is to test your understanding of Java strings. So basically we're given two strings of lowercase English letters A and B, and we should perform the following operations: sum the length of A and B, determine if A is lexicographically larger than B, so whether B comes before A in the dictionary, and capitalize the first letter in A and B and print them on a single line separated by a space. So we have sample input here, hello Java, and the sample output should look, the first is the sum of the letters in the words, which equals 9. Then hello is not greater, Java is not greater, I'm sorry. Hello is not greater than Java in dictionary, and both letters with capital first letter, hello Java. So let's actually copy this code into IntelliJ, and it would be easier to explain how this works. Okay. So we need to import the scanner class here first. Okay, cool. So basically exercise is, it has three parts. So the first part is to print sum of the strings in both words. So let's create a variable called string sum, which equals to a.length. Length is a method for calculating the letters in the string, and b.length, which gives us the length of the string b. So, and print string sum. Okay, let's run this code and see if everything is correct. Okay, so hello Java. So it gives us sum of two words, cool. So the second part of the exercise is to determine if A is lexicographically greater than B. So for this we're gonna use a Java method called compare_to. We're gonna create a variable called outcome, and we'll set its value to A compared to B. So basically what it does, it's this method is comparing one string with another, and it gives us an integer, and if that integer is positive, if it's at a positive number, it means that number A is greater than number B. I'm sorry, string A is greater than string B. If it gives us negative number, then it means it's not greater, then it does not come first in the dictionary. So let me show you actually how this works. Print outcome. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, so let's say we have two words, let it be ABC, and A, B, Z. So it gives us a negative number. If we take word, let's say ZZZ and AAA, it would give us a positive number. And finally, if we take two similar strings, AAA and AAA, it would give us an outcome of 0. So what we're gonna do is create an if statement. Let's actually get rid of this line of code. So we're gonna create an if statement and put an argument of outcome. If outcome is greater than 0, then print yes. Else, oops, print no. So let's see if this works. So let's take words AAA and BBB. Right, BBB is not greater than AAA, so it prints no. Cool. So we have the third part of our problem, which is to print both words with the first letter uppercase. So in Java, strings are immutable, so we cannot just take the string and make the first letter uppercase. So for that, we actually will use this method, which is called a substring method. We'll take a substring 0, 1, which basically takes the first letter of the string and puts it to uppercase, plus we're gonna concatenate the rest of the string, and then we're gonna concatenate empty space between two words, and then we're gonna actually copy this part of the code and change it for B substring, the same thing for the second word. Okay, cool. So let's see if this works. Okay, let's take hello Java. Okay, so we have sum of two words, no, hello Java. Cool. So let's actually copy this code that we wrote here and paste it into our HackerRank problem page. Enter your code here. Okay. We're checking if we're done everything correct. So let's run this code. Oops. Cool. So that's pretty much for this exercise. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.